students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Welcome to mathematics class of standard 5th. Today we are going to study chapter number 13 and the name of our chapter is ways to multiply and divide. Okay, so this is the second part of our chapter. In the previous part of this chapter we have learned few questions from this chapter. In that we have studied how to multiply the two digits number, and also we have tried to learn solving using the word problems. Then also we have studied about three digits numbers and how to start multiplication using that. So here so we have completed this page also, page number 172. In this also we have studied the word problems related to multiplication, and we have solved this multiplication sums over here. Okay, so today we are going to start up to here. Soham, we have Soham drinks 8 glasses of water every day. So that things we have already completed in the previous classes. So in today's class we are going to see about we are going to start from this question. A baby elephant drinks around 12 liters of milk every day. It means this elephant is drinking 12 liter milk every day. Every day means her rows. Okay, how much milk did it drink in 2 years? So for 2 years, how much milk is required? So for 1 year, how many days are there? So for 1 year, 365 days are there. So 2 years means 365 into 2 means 730 days are there. So 365 into 2 we have seen here, it means 730 days. And in one day, 12 liter milk. So 730 days, how much milk? That much we have to find. So 730 multiply by 12. For doing multiplication, first we have to start from the unit digit. As we have studied, unit digit in the lower term is 2. So first we have to multiply 2 with 0, 2 with 3 and 2 with 7. So 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. To start multiplication of tens digit, what we have to do? First we have to keep one 0 over here. Then we have to start, because it is of tens digit. So 1 multiply 0 means 0, 1 multiply 3 means 3, and 1 multiply 7 means 7. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 0 is 6, 4 plus 3 is 7, and 1 plus 7 is 8. So 8760 will be our answer. A baby blue whale drinks around 200 liters of milk in one day. Just imagine how much milk that is. Okay, means here it is telling that the blue whale drinks how much liter? 200 liter of milk in only one day. So find out how many days your family would use 200 liter of milk. How much milk would the baby blue whale drink in 8 months? Okay, so for number of liters of milk a baby blue whale drink in one day is 200. So 200 liter the baby blue whale drink in one day. Number of liters of milk used in my family in one day is 2. So in my home 2 liter of milk is used every day. Okay, so for 200 liters in our home will be for 100 days. Okay, so if we see about 200 liter milk, so 200 liter 200 liter milk will last, मतलब चलेगा हमारे घर में 100 days तक. So we know 1 month equals to 30 days, then 8 months. So 30 into 8 is 240 days. So the number of liters of milk the baby blue whale will drink in 8 months will be 200 multiplied by 240. So to do the multiplication of these three digits, first we have to start from the unit digit. Unit digit will be multiplied with all three digits. 0 multiply 0, 0 multiply 0, and 0 multiply by 2 means we will get answer as 0. Then 4 multiply by first we will keep one 0 over here. पहले 0 रखे देना, because we are starting from tens digit. 4 multiply by 0 means 0. 4 multiply by 0 means 0, and 4 2s are 8. For the next, this is hundreds place. So 100 for hundreds place 2 multiply by first we will keep 2 0 because in 100 2 zeros are there. 2 0 ऐसे ही रख देना है. Then 2 multiply by 0, 2 multiply by 0 and 2 multiply by 2, that is 4. Then we will add this all things and we will get answer 48,000. Karunya, the landlord. Karunya bought 3 fields. Okay, this is Karunya and it has 3 fields. Find the area of all 3. Field A in square meter, field B and field C. So dimension of the field A, length equals to 27 meter and breadth equals to 28 meter. So area of field A field की देखो लेंथ 27 है और ब्रेथ 28 है. तो एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेथ. इट मीन्स 27 मल्टीप्लाई 28. टू डू if we will do 27 multiply 28 we will get 1756. In the same way we will do for field B and field C also. Try to solve by yourself. He bought field A at the rate of rupees 95 for a square meter, field B at rupees 110 for square meter and field C for rupees 120 for a square meter. Find the cost of all 3 fields. Cost of 1 square meter of field A equals to rupees 95. Cost of 756 square meter for field A. Why 756? क्योंकि field A का area क्या मिला था हमें यहाँ पर? Field A का area मिला था हमें 756. That's why. So 756 multiply 95. If we will do multiplication, we will get 71,820. And for field B is rupees 110 and the cost is 432. So 432 multiply 110. Okay, this will be again 3 digits. So पहले 0 को multiply करेंगे 2 से 3 से और 4 से. What we will get? 0 only. 1 एक 0 हम रख देंगे because it's tens place. 1 multiply by 2 is 2. 1 multiply by 3 is 3 and 1 multiply by 4 is 4. Then we are doing hundreds place, so we will keep here 2 0. 1 multiply by 2 is 2. 1 multiply 3 is 3 and 1 multiply 4 is 4. If we will add all this, we will get 47,520. In the same way, if we will do for field C, cost is 503 and area is cost is 120 and area is 513. If we multiply this, try to solve by yourself. If we will get answer 61,560. Thulasi and her husband work on Karunya's farm. The government said that farm workers should be paid at least rupees 71 for 1 day's work. But he pays rupees 555. मतलब कि कितने पैसे देने चाहिए? गवर्नमेंट ने कहा है कि 71 देने चाहिए, लेकिन वो कितने देता है? रुपीज़ 55 ओनली एंड रुपीज़ 58 टू हर हस्बैंड. इफ़ थुलासी वर्क फॉर 49 days, how much money does she get? If her husband work for 42 days, how much money does he get? Find the money they earn together. ओके, तो थुलासी को एक दिन के लिए कितने रुपीस मिलते हैं? 55. सो 55 एंड हाउ मेनी डेज ही इज़ वर्किंग? 49 days. सो 55 multiply 49. So if you will do 55 multiply 49, first we have to multiply with units digits. So 9 multiply 5, 9 multiply 5, 9 5s are 45, 4 will be carry here, 9 5s are 45, again 45 plus 4 is 49. Then 1 0 we will keep here. 4 multiply 5 means 20, 2 we will keep carry here. 4 multiply 5 20 plus 2 means 22. So when we will add this, 5 plus 0 5, 9 plus 0 9, 4 plus 2 6 and 2 is as it is 2. So if Thulasi will work for 49 days, he will earn how much money? 2695. If her husband work for 42 days, how much money he will get? If for 1 day he is getting 58 rupees, so for 42 days you have to multiply and find. You will get the answer 2,436. And how much money they will earn together? Thulasi is getting 2,695, husband getting 2,436. If we will add both this, they will get 5,131 rupees. Now this is one story. I saw this in the newspaper. Government of different state have said the farmer should not be paid less than salary for a day's work. Haryana is telling that in one day they must get 135. Rajasthan government is telling that they must get salary 73. Madhya Pradesh is giving 97 and Orissa is giving 75 rupees for one day salary. So now what we have to find for farm work, which state has fixed the highest amount, which state has the lowest. So we have to see which state is giving the highest and which state is giving the lowest. For farm work, Haryana has the highest. Okay, we can see Haryana is the highest, and which is the lowest, Rajasthan is the lowest. Bhairon Singh is a worker in Rajasthan. If he work for 8 weeks on the farm, how much money will he earn? Okay, so for Bhairon Singh is of the Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, for one day, how many rupees they are giving? 73. We have to find for the 8 weeks. 73 for one day. So for 1 week is how many days? 7 days. For 8 weeks is 7 multiply 8 means 56 days. So Bhairon Singh's earning for working in the farm for 56 days is rupees 73 into 56. 73 into 56. First we have to do multiplication of unit digit with both one. 6 multiply 3 is 18, so 1 carry and we will keep 8 here. 7 multiply 6 is 42 plus 1 carry means 43. For tens digit first we have to keep 1 0, then 5 multiply 3 is 15, so 1 carry and 5 here, and 5 multiply 7 is 35 and plus 1 carry, that is 36. So if we will add this, we will get answer 4088. So the Bhairon Singh will earn rupees 4088 in 8 weeks. Neelam working in Haryana will be paid rupees 135 for one day. For 1 month we have to find. So for 1 month how many days? 30 days. So for half month means 15 days. So 2.5 months means 2 multiplied by 30 plus 15. So we total 75 days because we are finding for 2.5 months. So 2 months means 60 days and plus 15 days means 75 days. So for rupees 135 into 75. So how we will come to know that Neelam will earn rupees 10,125 for 2.5 months. The salary of a farm worker for one day in Madhya Pradesh is rupees 97. For 1 week is 7 days. So for 9 weeks means 9 multiply 7 means 63 days. So the earning of a farm worker working for 63 days means 97 into 63. The total amount we get is 6,111 rupees. Okay, in the same way for Orissa we have to find, that is 4,725. So the difference between the earning of farmers we can see here will be 1,386 is more for worker in Orissa for working for 9 weeks. So in this part we have seen this table and we have studied how to find out the working amounts for the specific days, months or weeks. Before that we have seen about about this Thulasi and his husband, how much money they are earning. Before that we have seen about this field rate, about we have find the area of the field A, B, C, and we have also find the cost. Before that we have also seen about this Suha's heartbeat and all. Okay, so this was the thing which we have studied for the second part in this chapter. The rest of the chapter we will complete in the last part, it's the third part of this chapter in the next class. Up to that, complete the chapter and try to solve all the multiplication sums. Thank you for listening my class. Thank you.